Hello, I'm Lewis from Wood Wyatt, and today we're going to be doing a demo of our Vert-2-Go D-Grease and our Vert-2-Go Lustrex. So in this demo, we'll be actually deep cleaning the floor, which is a no maintenance floor, and then applying the Lustrex to protect as well as to make it easier to clean. So here is our white no maintenance floor, and if we zoom in, you can see there's a lot of dirt ground into the flooring. And it gives an appearance of a dirty zone in the traffic lanes. So here we have our Vert-2-Go D-Grease at 1 to 40 in our AW211B scrubber to deep clean the floor. So here we are with the floor deep cleaned, and what we can see, the factory coating on the floor is worn out, and that's why you seem to have a dark area and a shiny area. So the dirt is gone, except for the stuff in the deepest scratches. Here we are just applying that damp coating. Go up a little bit, Andrea. There we go. It's super, super light. Shouldn't be like a finish where it's blue or puddling. It needs to be very, very lightly damp. That's it. There we go. So here we are with the first application of Lustrex. You can see earlier where that wear was. It's now being slowly erased, so that first amount has removed it, and the overall gloss has improved. So here we are, the second application. Go ahead, Andrea. And again, you should have been able to see that the dull, worn out spots looks a lot better. Here we are with the Vert-2-Go Lustrex, with the second application of the one-to-one dressing, and you can see the gloss is more uniform. The color is much more uniform. All of that dirt and darkness has been removed. And you can see here earlier, this area in the center was much more pronounced with darkness and ground in, and now it is much better, much more uniform. And hopefully with the daily cleaning at 1 to 64, they should be able to get a much better and consistent result of the floor without having to do heavy maintenance on it.